Hi, today we are going to the class 10th class mathematics paper and 1 and 2. So previous years two papers will be continue the board 10th class exams paper 1 and paper 2. But this year will be paper 1 and 2 will be common exam. So that is marks 100 marks and time will be given 3 hours 15 minutes. First of all, given section 1, 1 to 12. 1 to 12, each one carrying 1 mark. So 12 ones are 12 marks. And section 2, 13 to 20. So each one carrying 2 marks. So totally 8 questions will be given. 8 twos are 16 marks. So here there is no choice. And section 3, 21 to 28. Here each one carrying 4 marks. So 8 fours are 32 marks. And section 4, 29 to 33. So but this section will be given a choice either or. So one or another one. So two questions will be given either or. Either this one or this one. But only one questions we have to write. So this is choice will be given, but each one carrying 8 marks, 5 8 40 marks. So totally 100 marks. This is the mathematics model paper. This is pattern of model paper mathematics. So first one, 1 mark questions. Look here, 1 mark questions how to will give the exponent of 2 in the prime factorizations of 144. Exponent. Prime factorization. So first of all find LCM 2 7 2 2 2 3 2 6 2 1 2 8 2 9 3 into 3. So how to write 144 in prime factorization? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 2s and 3 into 3. So how many 4s are there? 2 to the power of 4. How many is 3? 3 square. But here asking the exponent of 2 in the prime factorization. 2 exponent is, this is called exponent, this is called base. What is the exponent? A. So what is the answer? 4. So answer is 4. So answer A. Next, here another example, another model. In an AP arithmetic progressions, A is equals to 10, D is equals to 10, then fourth term of AP. The nth term of AP formula, A plus AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A is a first term is equals to 10 already given. D is a common difference already given 10. N means which term? Fourth term. So N is equals to 4. So A 4 is equals to A means 10 plus N means 4 minus 1 into D means 10. So 10 plus 3 into 10, 30. So 10 plus 30. So fourth term AN equals to what is that? 40. And next, another one. Match the following. A tan of 90 minus theta, B square root of 1 minus cos square theta 1 by secant theta. So this is tan of 90 minus theta. Tan 90 will be changed. So tan 90 will be changed cot 90 minus theta first quadrant. So all are positive. So first one is 3. And second one 1 minus cos square theta. Already you know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So sin square theta is equals to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. So square root of 1 minus cos square theta in substituting, what is that? Sin theta. 1 by secant theta. This means reciprocal of cos theta. So what is the answer? First one 3. A is 3. B is 2. C is 1. So what is the answer? A. So this is the answer A. So 1 mark questions, these type of questions will be asked in public examinations. Thanks for watching.